In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Expedia booking to Outlook, a simple process that will only take about 5 minutes of your time. If you're planning a trip and want to keep all of your travel details in one place, syncing them with your Outlook calendar can be incredibly helpful. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you won't miss a beat from your travel itinerary. To start, you need to visit the Travel with Expedia Philippines website. Simply open your browser and head over to their homepage. Once you're there, it's time to sign in to your Expedia account. This is an important step because accessing your bookings requires you to be logged into your account. So, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login details. Next, once you're logged in, you'll be redirected back to the Expedia homepage. From here, navigate to Trip Planner. This section is your travel command center where you can view and manage all the trips you've planned. It's a breeze finding your way here, as the Trips option is generally featured prominently in the top menu. Now that you've accessed your trips, locate and click on the specific booking you want to add to Outlook. After selecting your booking, look for the Share option. This feature is generally in clear view, and upon clicking it, you should see multiple sharing options to choose from. One of these options will be to invite via email. When you select this, you will open up a dialog window where you can send your trip details. Here's the clever bit. By sharing the details with yourself via email, you create an easy path to import them into Outlook. Once the email arrives in your inbox, open it and download the attached calendar file, typically an .ics file. This file is the gateway to having your travel plans effectively logged into your Outlook calendar. Open the .ics file, and Outlook will prompt you to add these event details to your calendar seamlessly. And there you have it. Now, your Expedia booking should be perfectly integrated within your Outlook calendar. This integration is not just convenient, but ensures you have all your travel plans organized effortlessly. Make it a habit to follow these steps whenever you book a trip through Expedia. And staying on top of your travel schedule will be one less thing you have to worry about. Thank you for watching, and happy travels!